wanna find you.
First of all, to continue, you have to back up your WhatsApp data or chat.
Alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go on, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I won't stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know.
So once you're done with backing up your chat, all you don't have to do is download and install GB WhatsApp from Chrome. Link in the description below.
'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go on, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I won't stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
So once you're done with installing and downloading it, just run the app, register, and just like the normal WhatsApp, continue. Watch this video to the end to know how to change the theme.
Where to go? I wanna find you.
Now, you don't have to go to your GB settings, click on the themes. You have two options, either for you to load themes or download themes. They have over 4,000 themes to download, so you can download it or even load the themes. So I choose to load the theme because I've downloaded this one before. So just click on it and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to read the verse of the day. Subscribe to Computer Channel. Follow me on Instagram. Like my page on Facebook. Thank you. God bless you.